Hey Transformers, I want to share this story with you guys. A couple of nights ago, I was having dinner with my son, and he asked me to buy him. He wanted to buy this toy that I think he saw it on TV. So he asked me to buy it for him. And I told him that right now we don't have the money for it. And he got sad. Then that reminded me that he's not he's actually not the only one who's sad in these times, in this, with this crisis. I know a lot of people who are sad. Can be people with money, people without money, business people, businessmen, or regular people. A lot of them are sad and depressed nowadays, and I want to share with you what I think and what I told my son. Man, I want to start off with these questions. Do you have food on your table? Do you have roof over your head? Do you have clothes on your back? Do you have eyes that you can see with? Can you smell? Can you taste? Do you have arms and hands that you can use? Do you have legs that you can walk with? If you have all those, then you're luckier than 80% of people in the world. And this is what I shared with my son. Those things that, we these are things that we need, and the other things are wants, and we can live without those wants because we have the things that we need. And for me, I don't look at what we don't have. I look at what we have, because if you keep looking at what you don't have, then you'll easily get sucked in or get trapped in this, this thinking that you're missing, you're lacking something, and it gets you sad and depressed. For me, I look at what I have, and with this, it depends on how your mindset is. I would want to have a mindset that I'm grateful for what I have, because I have what I need. And depending on how your mindset is, it will determine how you come out of tough times like this. So after listening to this, after watching this, I would love to know, how does this impact you? How does this affect your thinking? I'd love to see them in the comments below. Till next time, bye.